Yeah, the year of the dragon. Hello, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, February the 15th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and two of them I've already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. This one is a tough one, yes, the 4 stars, but we solve it again. And the last regular puzzle is a tectonic. Tectonic with 3 stars. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve. But first, these 3 regular puzzles. Well, we have one left, and let me start. Continue with this one, the last one, regular puzzle. The rest of the puzzles in the evening. This will be number 8008. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Alright. And yeah. So let's get started. By the way, this one has an indication of 3 stars. For three stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. But I don't think it's a 3 stars. Should be a 1 star. 1 star need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here in the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. It's the only one single box here in the right corner. Upper right corner. Should be a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see 3 dual boxes, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 there, so this box can be 2. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Same for here. This box can be 2. So this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 2. And the last one, the 1 and the 2, well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes then. I see here only 1 triple box, contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, that is this box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 4 in the same area, so it can be 4 anymore. It should be 5 then, alright. Oh, overlook this dual box, contains the 1 and 2, well. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. More triple boxes, no. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, we have here a quadra box. The 3 is already filled in. Cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information. Alright. Then my following step is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this L shape. Let me draw this L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. In this case, it's a 1 or 2 there. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember. And this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one shape. And the last shape, that's this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember. That this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 1, 2, 3 shapes. Figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get starting filling those and numbers. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. Well, this box can be a 1 or a 2. 1 or a 2. That means that that box can also not be a 1 or a 2. In this corner box, we have here the 3. Cannot be a 1 or a 2. So 1 digit left should be the 4. Is connected with that box should be also 4. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. 1 and 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box. Should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes at there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be here. Then these 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. These two boxes, this box can be 1. This box can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. These two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in, a 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Okay. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and 5. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. These two boxes around the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left. 4 numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 5. But also that box can be 1 and this box can be a 1. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then this box can be 2. Those two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. And a final 2 numbers. For numbers 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you. Should be faster than 50 minutes. 1 star. Well, should be a 0 stars. And we solve again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.